Everyone, so in today's guide we will be connecting our wand using the Bluetooth connection method. So to access your wizard, press on the menu on the top left and hit controller settings. From there you scroll down to the bottom and then you hit start wizard. We can then hit let's get started, put in your controller name, enter in the serial number as needed, and then hit the connect to Wi-Fi. If you're reconnecting a wand that's previously been connected and you're selecting the Bluetooth option, you can pretty much skip those steps. So you can just scroll across, or you can just tap on continue until you get to the connect to Wi-Fi option. So click on that one. It will then fetch provisions to connect to your wand. So today, as I mentioned, we are doing the Bluetooth option. We then see the device here pop up. So we tap on it to connect. It will ask us if we would like to pair. At this point, we then hit pair. The pin will appear on the screen, which you can then enter. So in this case, it's 450556. If this pairing screen doesn't pop up, what you can do is you can press the X button and just try it again. And it should pop up the second time. Otherwise, if not, try sliding at the wand and pushing it back in and then just rerun this step. Sometimes it can be a bit funny with the Bluetooth picking up and giving you the pairing option. I think pretty much what is happening now. Oh, sorry, it was already paired, so that's why it allowed me to proceed and scan for networks. So now we can see that the networks are available. We can then go ahead and select the network we want to connect to. Once you've selected the network you want to connect to, you can then enter in the password. Once you've entered the password, just press continue, and then it will send the Wi-Fi settings to your X2. And as you can see, it's saying connection in progress, and the device is attempting to connect. If you look at the control screen, it should say done, and then it should display online. From there, you can see it says connection successful. Just press continue. And now the last option is if you have previously set up your X2 in offline mode using the dial and you would like to update it to your wand, so you don't have to reprogram, you can hit yes here. Otherwise, if you hit no, you can just go ahead and reprogram your X2 using the app. But in this case, let's hit yes. So it will ask us, it's giving us a confirmation that the programs that already existed will be updated, and it will replace whatever's been set up through the app. So basically we're uploading the programming from the X2 to the wand. So hit continue. And now this part can take a little bit of time, so I'll quickly pause this and come back when it's complete to show you what it looks like. And by the way, you can't press continue. If you try, it will give you this message that it hasn't been completed yet. So just press cancel, and yeah, you'll need to wait for it until you get this message. Existing warding program applied. You can hit continue and you're pretty much good to go. So you can see you've got your 3 programs that have been configured. You can either modify them as you need to, or just continue and then just proceed with the setup until you're complete. So here we can skip the sensor part. You can enable location, and then yeah, congratulations, you've connected your X2 and wand to your Wi-Fi network using Bluetooth. Thank you.